Westermans here again with a machine tool, XYZ SLV, which is a 3000 model. Obviously comes with complete with the manual. Obviously vertical turret type milling machine. Just added some power and some air to this just to make sure it's functioning. To be honest, don't really know what buttons to press or how to operate it, so some instructions would be good. I think I better sit down and read the manual, but for this purpose I shall just do a few switches to see what happens. We have the side to side on the bed, in obviously both directions. Also have the in and outs on the bed. Obviously the machine is obviously nice and clean. We've got obviously the raise and lower of the bed. High speed spindle. More details available on this on westermans.com. Also other machine tools and engineering equipment. This machine will be sold as seen and can be shipped worldwide. Also the bed there. Like I say, more details available online. Thank you for looking.